Hey kids, it's Miss Smarty Pants here. Today I'm going to tell you an exciting story about my friend Danni and how she conquered her fear of water. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Danni was a bright and cheerful girl, but she had one big fear. She was scared of water. Swimming pools, lakes, even bathtubs made her nervous. Whenever she saw water, her tummy would do flips and flops. But guess what? Danni didn't stay scared for long. One sunny day, Danni's family planned a trip to the beach. It's going to be so much fun, her mom said. But Danni wasn't sure. She loved the idea of playing in the sand, but the thought of getting near the water made her knees wobble. When they got to the beach, Danni saw other kids splashing and having a blast. Just then, her dad kneeled down and said, "Danni, it's okay to be scared. Everyone feels scared sometimes, but you know what? You can be brave too." Danni wanted to be brave, so she decided to try something small first. She took a deep breath and dipped her toes in the water. The water was cool and refreshing. She giggled and felt a little better. "Hey, this isn't so bad," she thought. Her dad stayed by her side and they walked a little deeper. The water reached her ankles, then her knees. Danni's heart was beating fast, but she remembered her dad's words. "I can be brave," she said to herself. Then a friendly wave came and splashed her gently. Danni laughed and splashed back. She realized the water was like a big, playful friend. With her dad's help, she practiced floating on her back. The sky above was so blue, and the clouds looked like fluffy marshmallows. She felt like she was floating in a dream. Each day, Danni practiced a little more. She learned to kick and paddle, and soon she was swimming like a fish. She discovered that the water was actually a lot of fun. She even made new friends at the pool and shared her favorite water games with them. By the end of the summer, Danni's fear of water had disappeared. She was so proud of herself. She learned that being brave doesn't mean you're not scared. It means you try even when you are scared. So remember, kids, if you're ever afraid of something, just take it one step at a time, and soon you'll be conquering your fears just like Danni. Thanks for listening to Danni's story. Keep being brave and see you next time with Miss Smarty Pants. Bye-bye.
Everybody's finding love at Tashi's non-stop super secret imagination club. Welcome to the land of dreams.